Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable the theater mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any button like that. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the theater mode icon, right below the airplane mode icon. Tap on it. Then tap the check mark to confirm. The screen will turn off and it's gonna be disabled. And to turn it on, simply press and hold any side button on your watch, like that. And that's how you enable the theater mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.